Hi, kindergarten. It is Miss Thompson here for your writing lesson today. So today I really wanted to go over with you all your writing goals that you can see here on the screen. So we have loved seeing all of your wonderful writing so far as we learn from home, but I really want us to kind of see how to pick one of these writing goals and write to it. So I can draw a picture to match my story, I can write a sentence, I can spell sight words correctly or use neat handwriting. The thing that I am going to focus on today is that I can stretch out my words. So what we're going to be writing about today are different animals, and we're going to compare them and contrast them. We're going to talk about how they're the same and how they are different, okay? So I'm going to show you, I don't have stuffed animals in my house, unfortunately, but I hope you do. I picked two cards that hopefully you can see here. I have a duck and a crab. And I'm going to talk about these animals. How are they the same and how are they different? So I can see that a duck is yellow and a crab is blue. And a duck has 2 feet and a crab has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pinchers or 10 little legs, okay? I can see these two animals are the same because they both swim, okay? So I am going to start writing, and I'm going to keep my writing goal in my head that I can stretch out my words. Okay, so when I get started with my writing, I'm going to keep these to the side. I'm going to put my name. And I'm going to put the date. Okay, and I'm going to think. What can I write? What am I supposed to be writing about? How these animals are the same and how they are different. So I'm going to start with how they're different, and then I'm going to write one sentence about how they're the same. So I'm going to start my sentence with a capital letter like good writers do. And I'm going to say, the duck is yellow. The duck is yellow. I should know how to spell the word the, and duck is spelled for me right here, and is a sight word, but yellow could be a little tricky. So I'm going to use my writing goal of stretching out that word, okay? Here we go. Starting with the capital letter, I start out at the top and I say the, finger space, duck. Is, I can't fit that word yellow right there, so I'm going to move down here. Yellow. That is a Y. L-O. The duck is yellow. And I always end my sentence with some sort of punctuation. Is it a question mark? No, I think it would be a period. Now I'm going to talk about the crab. What color is this crab? So I can write it again. The crab is blue. Blue. Ooh. It kind of sounds like this. Blue. The crab is blue. Now I've talked about how they're different. The duck is yellow and the crab is blue, and now I want to write how they are the same. So I can say they both can swim. It's a lot of words. But they is a sight word, so I'm going to go ahead and write that. Starting with a capital letter. They both. B-O-Th. Stretch out that word. B-O-Th. B-O-Th. Can swim. They both can swim. So now I have 3 sentences. If you want to write sentences about how your animals are the same and different, write them in your journal, write them in Seesaw, upload them. We can't wait to see your writing, and I hope you have a great day.